In today's video, you will see 9 kinds of headaches that can be health issues. We recently talked about a headache that can be caused by issues on the temporomandibular joints, TMJ. Did you watch it? Biting your nails, chewing on pen caps, or chewing a lot of gum can be the reasons for your headaches. Did you know? Watch the video to learn more about it. According to the World Health Organization, 50 to 75% of the adults in the world suffer from headaches. Did you know that? However, most people don't pay much attention to this issue, since headaches can range from moderate to intense, sharp or overwhelming, and their focus might be in different parts of the head. But did you know that headaches can happen because of a disease or even be a secondary symptom? See 7 types of headaches. Effect of tyramine. Tyramine, which is found in bananas, bacon, avocados, and aromatic cheeses, is a toxin that can cause migraines. If you enjoy cheese and have frequent migraines, it might be the tyramine. In this case, try reducing the portions you eat and pay attention to any changes. Benzyl alcohol. Found in perfumes and air fresheners, combined with synthetic compounds, benzyl alcohol can cause headaches. If you are sensitive to smells, try applying less perfume than usual and see if it reduces your issue. Try it. Medication overdose. Headaches can be either chronic or periodic, and they might also be followed by vomiting, accelerated heartbeats, anxiety, and nervousness. This state can lead to the irresponsible use of analgesics. Once the effect of the pills is over, the pain comes back, and the patient takes another dose. Drugs that contain codeine and caffeine are dangerous, and in many countries, they can be bought without prescriptions. The medication might stop having an effect on the body, but its side effects are still visible. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Encephalitis. In cases of encephalitis, inflammatory processes are developed in the brain. People think that this disease is caused by tick bites, but that's not always the case. Encephalitis can also be caused by the herpes virus and some types of microbes. In this case, it is better to pay attention to all the symptoms like headaches, fever, gastrointestinal disorders, lack of muscle tone, and sensitivity. Glaucoma. Do you have headaches near your eyeballs and temples and suffer from photophobia? Also, do you usually have symptoms like nausea, fever, and double vision? This might be glaucoma. Glaucoma causes a high eye pressure that is constant or periodic, and the optical nerve atrophies. Without treatment, this disease may lead to blindness. To discard any suspicions, go to your doctor to have your eyes checked. Intracranial hypertension. This rare disease might also be called pseudotumor cerebri. It is a strong intracranial pressure that comes accompanied by headaches and a decrease in vision. Nausea is another common symptom. Overweight or obese women of fertile age are the most frequently affected by it. If you recognize these symptoms in yourself, schedule a visit to your doctor to receive a diagnosis and start the treatment. Meningitis. With basically any infectious disease, people suffer from headaches in varying degrees of intensity. Headaches are one of the main symptoms of meningitis, followed by vomiting and a high fever that usually stays at 104 degrees Fahrenheit. If you have any of these symptoms, try touching your chin against your chest. Usually, dizziness, drowsiness, photophobia, and the symptoms mentioned above suggest meningitis. When you notice the first and main symptoms, seek a hospital to start the treatment as soon as possible. Do you suffer from headaches? If you do, try the Himalayan salt and lemon recipe that you are seeing now to see if it solves your issue. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.